Hello students, welcome back. So today I will discuss about class 10 information technology, some MCQ based questions. Clear? So let's start. So first question number 1. First question is, internet is a network of dash. Internet is a network of dash. So the options are number A, networks, number B, internet, number C, intranet, and number D, all of this. So internet is a network of, we know that very well, internet is a network of networks. So the answer is option number A, networks. Clear? Okay, second one. Question number 2. Question number 2. Full form of www is. Option number A, World Wide Web. Option number B, World Wide Warp. Option number C, Web Wide World. Option number D, none of this. So what is the actual full form of www? We know that very well, the full form of www is World Wide Web. So the answer is option number A, that is World Wide Web. Clear? Okay, third one. Question number 3. Question number 3. Dash is a computer program that provides services to other computer programs. So dash is a computer program that provides services to other computer programs. The options are option number A, browser. Option number B, switch. Option number C, server, and option number D, hub. So dash is a computer program that provides services to other computer programs. The answer is server. Server is basically a computer program that provides services to other computer programs. So the option is C, that is server. Clear? Okay, next, fourth one. Fourth one. Question number 4th. ISP stands for. Option number A, intranet service provider. Option number B, intranet service producer. Option number C, internet service producer. Option number D, internet service provider. So what is the full form of ISP? ISP stands for internet service provider. So the answer is option number D, internet service provider. The full form of ISP is internet service provider. Clear? Okay, next one, fifth one. Question number 5th. A set of rules that governs data communication is. Option number A, protocol. Option number B, information. Option number C, HTML, and option number D, email. So a set of rules that governs data communication is, the answer is protocol, information, HTML or email. The answer is protocol. Clear? A set of rules that governs data communication is called protocol. So the answer is option number A, that is protocol. Next, sixth one. In URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator. Suppose http://www.cbse.co.in/index.htm, which component identifies the path of a web page. So in URL, Uniform Resource Locator, URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator. HTTP Hypertext Transfer Protocol : www World Wide Web. So HTTP : www.cbse.co.in/index.htm. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup. It is also expressed as HTML. HTML, that means Hypertext Markup Language, with the help of HTTP server. That means Hypertext Transfer Protocol. So which component identifies the path of a web page? The options are option number A, HTTP. Option number B, www.cbse.com. Option number C, /index.htm. Option number D, all of these. So in URL, Uniform Resource Locator, http://www.cbse.co.in/index.htm, which component identifies the path of a web page? The answer is www.cbse.com, because if we open index.htm, that means it will open home page. Which home page? CBSE home page. CBSE home page. That's why the option is option number B. That means CBSE, www.cbse.com. Okay, next one, seventh one. Seventh one. Google Chrome is an example of, you know that very well, Google Chrome is an example of option number A, web browser. Option number B, web server. Option number C, HTTP. Option number D, www. So Google Chrome is an example of, we know that very well, it is an web browser. Clear? We know that a web browser is basically a software version that is used to retrieving, presenting and traversing information resources from the www. So Google Chrome is an example of web browser. Clear everyone? So the answer is option number A, web browser. Okay, next one, 8. Question number 8. Question number 8. A blog consists of, options are option number A, images. Option number B, text. Option number C, links. Option number D, all of this. So a blog consists of images, text, links or all of this. We know that a blog basically consists images, text and links. So the answer is all of these. So a blog consists of images, text and also links. So the answer is option number D, that means all of these. Clear? Okay, next one. Question number 9. Question number 9. Online discussion through post about various topics is called online discussion through post about various topics is called option number A, e-discussion, option number B, news group, option number C, email. Email stands for electronic mail. Option number D, chat. So online discussion through post about various topics is called news group. So the answer is option number B, that means news group. Clear everyone? So online discussion through post about various topics is called news group. So the answer is option number B, that is news group. Okay, next one, 10th one. Question number 10. Question number 10. Suppose abc@mnc.co.in represents an option number A, virtual address, option number B, email address, option number C, IP address, option number D, none of these. So abc@mnc.co.in represents an virtual address, email address or IP address or none of these. So the answer is email address. abc@mnc.co.in, that means it is separated by an email address. This is username and this is the domain name. So username and domain name are separated with the help of an @ sign. So this is called email or electronic mail. So abc@mnc.co.in is an email address. Clear? Okay. Next one, 11th one. Question number 11. Some fill in the blanks are there, so I will solve the some fill in the blanks. Clear? So picture and clip art options are available under dash. So picture and clip art options available under dash. Under which tab? Under insert tab. Under insert tab. So the answer is insert tab. Clear? Next one. So the 11th question is picture and clip art options are available under insert tab. Okay, next one. 12th one. Header option is available under dash group. Under dash group in insert tab. So header option is available under dash group in insert tab. So under header and footer group in insert tab. So header option is available under dash group in insert tab. So the answer is header and footer group. So the answer is header and footer group. Header and footer group in insert tab. So today I will discuss 12th questions or multiple choice questions. Clear? In my next class I will discuss another 12 questions. Clear? Till then, goodbye.